never forget timely reminders for manufacturing and leads. So our new update introduces timely reminders to stay on top of manufacturing and lead management, right? So your entire team will be informed and will be staying one step ahead. So what does this provide? It provides better time management, improved task workflow, and a collaboration between whatever is happening related to those reminders will be working in an organized manner. So I'll just show it to you. We're back here. So we were speaking about two different fields or two different modules to be specific. That was manufacturing and leads. So we'll do one thing in order to get a better, because we don't have a lot of leads created in this particular instance. So in that case, I'll do one thing. I'll bring this one here. Yes. So here we'll first go to the leads section, and we'll also open the manufacturing section, and we will see how and where we will be able to add the reminders properly. So yes, under leads, you can see there are so many leads present and the status, everything is present. So let's select one. So I'm going to go with this. Right at the top right, you will be able to see now, but just exclusively talking about the lead management section. On the top right, you will be able to see the reminder section, and maybe I'll set the reminder for this coming Saturday, and new reminder set for lead. Okay, I'm going to keep it as private, and I'm submitting. So where can I see this? Maybe we'll look into our dashboard, right? Yes, we can go to our dashboard and we'll be able to see the lead created. It's a very useful tool, right? It's already in your dashboard, so you'll be able to look into that, and even without the reminder coming on that particular day in advance itself, you will be staying in touch with that. Okay, fine. So we'll keep it there right now for lead management, and we'll move on to manufacturing. Now for manufacturing part, if I select a particular manufacturing detail, I'll be able to see this particular interface, and you won't be able to see any option to create a reminder here. So what can we do? We need to go to the manage part, the manage section. We have view, and then we have the reminder. So this is created by Tennyson. The BOM, the bill of material is for blue mask disposable. And let's do one thing. I'll create a reminder for this particular manufacturing tax that we had on the same date. So new reminder for manufac. Done. Let's click on submit. So a reminder saved successfully. I'm not going to go to the dashboard once again. We'll just clearly go to the reminder section and check whether both of those were created. Yes, as you can see here, for lead, the new reminder set for lead has been created for 7th of this particular month. And a new reminder for manufacturing has also been created. So last updated right now for both of it, properly created for manufacturing and lead. So we have introduced this. All right. So this is a new update regarding the reminder option that we have introduced for both manufacturing as well as for lead management modules.